Hey everybody, we're making some raw vegan brownies today. To make them, we need walnuts, cacao powder, medjool dates, and coconut oil. We got all the ingredients laid out. Now that we got all the ingredients together, we're going to start putting them in my food processor. We're going to start by adding the walnuts, the medjool, as well as deglet nor dates. You can use raisins if you don't have any medjool dates, but either one is fine. We're going to put raw cacao powder and seal that off with some coconut oil. Now it's time to blend it all up in the food processor. The coconut oil is going to solidify the mixture and allow the brownie to cut and slice like a traditional brownie. Our mixture is set and ready to go in the refrigerator for 2 hours. At that point, the coconut oil will solidify and make the brownie cut like a traditional brownie. And here you have it, raw vegan brownies made by Veganchefleah. Love you guys.